Okay, you guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to change your name in Zoom. It's very easy to do this, so I'm going to do step by step on how you do this. But the first thing you want to do is go ahead and launch Zoom up, and we'll just do new meeting just so you can see what my name is and what we're going to change it to. So you change it here, so you can see there's your display name there, but if you also click on participants, you can see Chris Display. That's my kind of test name that I have there. So let's say you want to change that. So when you join a meeting or when you're trying to invite someone to your meeting, you don't want them to have your real name, or you just put demo or you put some fake stuff and you want to change it to your real information. So go ahead and end meeting, click on your top right icon here, and you're going to go down to My Profile. Now what this is going to do is going to open up your web browser because you actually have to change it zoom.us. So you need to log into there. And usually if you're already logged in, it'll just take you right to your profile page like you just saw it did with mine. And you can see your display name is right here. So we hit edit. So here's my real name, first and last. But if you want to say something else, like if you just want to put, my company's name, or whatever you want to change it to, that's where you would just change it to. Is the display name is what everyone is going to see. So I'm going to change it to that, and we go down to hit Save Changes, and this happens right away. So if I go in and close out of here and I hit New Meeting, it's going to reflect that new name right away. So you can see it says My Company, and if I go to Participants, you can see now I'm joined as the name My Company. So that's how easy it is, you guys, to just open up Zoom, click on My Profile, and then it's going to open up the web browser because you have to change it from that area first. So hopefully you know you're logged into that. Log in and then go to My Profile and just change it there. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. I'll continue making some other videos about Zoom because I know a lot of people are using it now. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.